Did you lose money today? Did you short today? Well, if you did any of those things today, you lost money or you shorted, you're watching the wrong live stream. Today, taking 2 trades, 2 winners, the same exact strategy that we use every day on the channel, getting the breakouts, getting the moves, following the EMAs, and riding the trend, looking for that big move up. This morning, we held support and we went to the moon. I'm gonna show you guys all the live trades and all the action right here in this video. Every morning, doing it live, 9:15 a.m. So if you aren't already tuning in, make sure you tune in next Monday. Let's go. Like I said, that key area being the 15s, needing to hold 15 here. So we filled that gap perfectly there at open, like we talked about on the SPY. Through this 25 level, test that 30s again. We get over 30s, well then we go 40s if we magically squeeze back up here. So we're pushing back up into that middle of that big red candle right there. If we get above 26, I'm thinking we get that follow through and get the move up there to the 30s next. And looking like 30s coming up. We got that break through the 26s. So now trying to push up there to the 30s. 2 levels. As long as we can hold 22, hold 20s, I think we're bullish and we can try to get that push above 30s right now. So almost to the 34s now. Can we get that push all the way up there to the 40s? Like this move up here to the 40s. So kind of looking to see, I might try to peel some off above 40 here, but just letting this ride right now. And we'll get this break through that 36s next and try to push up there 40s. Right now, I'm pushing up to that pivot point on the SPY 390.73. So right now, still holding right there above my stop. I got my stop at the 27s to guarantee $2,000 in profit. But right now, holding right there above there. Let's see if this is going to turn into support or we're going to sell through there. So we're kind of pulling back and like retesting that area of resistance from earlier. Got the patch of Wieland set up. Forming here. I think if we get back over 32, 33 level, still long from the 19s, my 27 stop playing out perfectly. Wow, that was, I couldn't have put a better stop in there. 27.25 got held. Don't worry, Josh P, I'm still long. Don't need to buy again. Thanks for telling me what to do though. You can see my 27 stop holding perfectly there. So we're rocking, we're rolling. And right now, trying to push up there, 37s. Can we get the squeeze through the 37, 38 level, get up there to the 40s or higher? That 40 area should be resistance. And we can get through there now. So looking for this push up here to the 40s. Let's go. Testing that 37 area again here. Patrick Wieland, let's go, baby. Rocking and fucking rolling. How can I be so good? Don't get too cocky yet. We haven't taken profit yet, but I'm looking for this move. I'm gonna move my stop up here now to the 30s. Look at this, I moved my stop to the 30s and we're guaranteed we lock in $3,000, but I wanna see all the way above 40s here. Right now on the Bookmap here, there's a bunch of liquidity there at the 40s. A bunch of liquidity there at the 40s, so we get through that 40 area, we could possibly just squeeze up even more, quicker, faster, stronger. Right now, getting stuck there at 39s. I want to see this thing explode through the 39, 40 area here. Don't get stuck there. We don't want to get stuck. Remember, we want to keep pushing, pushing, pushing through that resistance there. Don't let those bears come in. Let's get that push over 40s here. Trying to push through the 40s. We're up $5,000. Can we get all the way through the 40s here? I want this push through the 40s. Let's go. Almost through the 40s there. I think it's gonna happen. We're gonna go, we're gonna go, we're gonna go. We're gonna go, we're gonna go. Trying to get through the 40s right here. Let's go. Live on YouTube right now from the 19s up there to the 40s. Let's go. 21 handles. Patrick Wieland. Who does it better than I do? Who does it better than me? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments below. Pushing there to the 40s, trying to get through there. Right now, trying to get a little bit more out of it. If we can get to the 44s, I like that 44 area. I mean, we're just pushing up there 40s right now, so. I like the idea of just kind of letting this thing go. Get through that 40 area next. 42 is the pivot there, so that's kind of why I'm watching this 41, 42 level. Right now, trying to hold this 36 area. That's right where that 13 EMA is on the 2000 tick chart here. 2000 tick chart right there. Can we hold that and get that squeeze? Give me one more little boner candle squeeze, baby. One more little boner candle squeeze. That's all I want. Please, little baby Jesus, send me one more boner candle here. And we might get stopped. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. So close. So close to getting stopped out there. 35 stop. Right now on the book map, you can see that 35 area trying to hold us there. And oh, it's holding 35. Come on, give me. I need it right here. It's got to squeeze. If it's going to go, I got to get away from that stop area. Got to go to the 40s. Well, you just need to squeeze right up there. Boner candle. Come on. Boner candle, baby. Give it to me. Come. Can we? If I get a boner candle right here, I swear I'm never gonna trade in the next 5 minutes again. Thailand making $700. Let's go. If you haven't already hit that like button, we got 700 likes here on the stream. We got 1,700 people watching. It's live, Fresh Cash Friday. And flirting with my stop here at the 35s. Flirting. We need that boner candle through the 38s. Come on now. Don't do it to me. Just give me one more boner candle. It's Friday. Come on, baby. Stock market. I love you. Talk dirty to her. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I love you. I love you so much. Just do it for me. Give me a boner candle. This is like the perfect spot to get a boner candle right now. You get a boner candle to the 40s, we're just gonna fucking squeeze. But we gotta get it going here. They gotta push it right now, right here, right now, right here. Oh my gosh. Come on. Getting stuck there at the 38s, getting stuck. Come on, just push it a little bit more. We get through that 38, 75, 39s, push to the 40s. Oh, look how tight it's getting. Look at how tight it's getting there. Oh gosh. It's so tight. It's so tight. This price action right now is killing me. The anxiety, the stress. I don't want this in my life. I don't want it in my life. Through the 38s, through the 38s. Come on. It's so close. This is the moment of truth. It's just got to squeeze. It's got to go through 39s like right here, right now. If it's going to do it, it's got to do it right here, right now. We don't want these shorts to keep piling in there. We want to get this squeeze in. Over 39. Come on, baby. It's trying. Over 39, we're going. Come on. Come on. It's getting tighter and tighter. On the 15-minute chart, you can see just that indecision right there on that candle. So looks like we might lose that now. Oh, we're going down. Might get stopped out here at 35s. Oh, gosh. If you missed out on the Patrick Wieland setup earlier today, well, you're obviously watching the wrong live stream. This is that breakout we got earlier there. Nice little move from the 31s back up there to the 40s. We had a nice breakout over the 30s there as well, up to the 37s. So that was kind of, I was saying, over that 30 area, get that push up there to the 40s. That's exactly what we got. Ding, ding, ding. And right now, just wait to see what happens next here. This is a area just to kind of wait and be patient. Still thinking we have possibility of pushing through that 40 area. Just need more volume, more action here to get through there. Right now, the MACD pulling back. Possibly get some consolidation. My entry was at the 19s. You can see we got back above the EMAs. Well, we got back above the EMAs here in the 20s. On the 2000 tick chart, we got back above the 13 EMA. That was my entry right here. Getting back above that 13 EMA right there on the 2000 tick chart, getting that breakout right there, getting the candles closing above that 13 EMA. I've talked about this strategy so many times here, and getting a 20 handle move up there to the 35s. Well, 15 handle move. Will this be the reversal zone for that next push up above the 40s? We get above that 40 area, it could really, I mean, we could go to the 70s, to be honest. There's not like not a ton of, well, 44, yeah, it's definitely, actually, yeah, 44, 45, 50 area. I thought this was a little bit lower. I thought this resistance here from that overnight was at the 40s, but you can see over 50s, definitely the idea of going to the 70s. So right now, just kind of sitting back, waiting and watching. Like I said, as long as we're above that VWAP, there's just no reason to really get short here. I don't like fighting the trend. I like making money. And up there, 40.25, 40.75, trying to push. I want to get this break through the 40s finally. Get this move up here. There's the 42s already. Beautiful. Let's go. Looking for 43s or higher here. 43.75 on the book map right now. We got all that liquidity kind of sitting there in the 42s. So right there, that 42 area, trying to push through. That's right where that pivot's at. We need more squeeze here. More squeeze, more cowbell. Still pushing 43s. Come on. There we go. Getting filled there at the 43.50. Beautiful. Let's go, boys and girls. Patrick Wieland's on a fucking roll right now. We're on a roll. He can't get any better than this. He can't get any better. He's the #1 day trader on YouTube. I need a hype man. Anybody want to be my hype man? I need a hype man up in here. Need somebody hype me up every day up in the cloud, in the party town. Let's fucking go. Patrick Wieland. I say my own name. It's like I talk in the third person. Oh, you guys know Patrick Wieland? That guy, he's good. He's good at what he does. So there's that second breakout of the day. This is the perfect Patrick Wieland setup again from that 36s up there to the 42s. 6 handles on that move. Still looking for more though, possibly pushing up here into the 50s later on today. So let's go, boys and girls. Patrick Wieland, Patrick Wieland, Patrick Wieland. How many times can one guy say his own name? I'm just trying to get that. It's like branding, you know. I'm subliminally trying to brand you guys to only think about me. When you go on YouTube, you're only going to be like, what YouTuber should I watch? Oh yeah, Patrick Wieland. I think that name is just stuck in my head for some reason. I can't get it out. Every time you go on YouTube, Patrick Wieland, Patrick. Think about it. If you're going to go on YouTube, whose videos are you going to watch? Patrick Wieland's. Why does this keep happening? And what's interesting too is if you look at this thing on the chart right now. You see how we held? I talked about this earlier, that 21 EMA, that blue line, we held there perfectly, right? There was no reason, like people were like, oh, we're shorting. As long as we're like staying above that 21 EMA like that, there's no reason to get short. Okay, so you shorted here at 39, you covered at 34. Like, whoop-de-doo. You know, think about like how much better the moves are to the upside here today on this thing. At open, yeah, short perfectly. You got that move down to the 15s. We talked about that area getting tested. That's what you want to do, obviously, but after we bounced off that 15 area and got back above these EMAs, there really was no reason to be shorting. I mean, what, you shorted here at 36, you covered at 30s. I mean, the move to the upside was much better on this thing. So every time, you know, trying to short these tops, it's going to get old. You're going to end up just blowing up because you're not going to short the top. You're going to end up shorting like down here in the 36s and then get stopped out. And you're going to, you know, I guarantee it. Like everyone who's like, oh, I was shorting. Like, no, I guarantee you were probably shorting like here at the 32s, and then you maybe took profit at 28s. But look how much easier this was just to be a long, right? Like just to be looking for these longs. You get long here on the breakout. We break above that high there. You get long here on the breakout, and there's that move. You know, there's no point in don't make it hard. Don't make trading hard. People make trading too fucking hard, I swear. Like, make it easy. You know, like, let's make trading as easy as possible, not hard as possible. Trading's already fucking hard. Don't make it harder than you have to. Like, I mean, that's just, I think that's the best way to think about it. Don't make trading hard. Make it easy. And there's that push up there, 45s. People were talking about getting short here at the highs again. I saw you guys in the chat talking about getting fucking short there at the 40s.